guys! Welcome back to my channel. Hi Tyler, say hi to the vlog. Hi! Hello vlog, did you miss me? Today is a Saturday and dapat makikita kami ni Martin. Pero bigla siyang may chores sa bahay. So last minute, as in dapat papunta na siya. Tapos biglang hindi na daw siya makakapunta. So dito na lang ako sa bahay with Tyler and Daryl and my dad. And umorder na lang kami sa Grab food para may ganap pa rin ngayong Saturday. Inaantay ko lang yung order. Thank you, Mommy, for sponsoring today's Grab food. While we're waiting for the Grab, magkwentuhan muna tayo. The past few weeks, wala naman masyadong ganap sa buhay ko. Kaya I haven't really been vlogging. Some things that I've been doing lately. So one, I've been cooking a lot of Korean food at home. Just very, very simple. I made dugo jorim, which is like spicy braised tofu for Martin. We made tteokbokki. I cooked kimchi jjigae. So a lot of like red, bubbly stuff. And then something that my family and I have really been into, painting by numbers. Ang unang umorder ng painting by numbers si Daryl. Noong nasabi ko sa kanya na parang I'm never gonna do painting by numbers. Eventually, I had the urge to try it out as well kasi I read na it really lowers stress and anxiety kasi nga you're just so focused into painting. So, umorder din ako and ayun na, it's really addicting. Nakatapos ako ng isa. I'm gonna show it to you. And I'm already on my second one. Ta-da! So, ganyan siya. The design has numbers and then the paint has corresponding numbers as well. So, para kang nagko-coloring book but with paint. So, let's say yan, 14. This is 14. Kaya siya yan. Like, dark green. And I chose this design that I'm working on kasi I love tigers. Specifically, Siberian tigers. Tapos, meron din silang coffee. There's a girl reading a newspaper. I like the aesthetic of it. Sometimes, my sister and I would just stay here in the living room and just paint for hours. Naabot kami ng gabi. Tapos usually, habang nagpe-paint kami, may movie din na nagpe-play sa projector. It's a really fun and relaxing bonding activity. This is the painting I was telling you about earlier. This is my first painting by numbers that I finished. It's a scene of Paris. It's a rainy night in Paris. It means a lot to me kasi it's so many hours of my life. Yan. And now, I'm on to my second one. Kausap pa pala si Dara na si Tyler. Ito si Tyler. Show Tyler.
Super agitated.
We ordered from Grab Mix and Match. Favorite ko doon kasi maraming restaurants. Tapos, isang delivery fee lang. Daryl and I got 24 chicken, half boneless. So, 7 pieces yon. 24 cheddar yung flavor. Ang na-try ko pa lang na flavor, snow cheese. And Happily. We also got Happily Bibimbap. Sobrang nakakatuwa yung packaging ng Happily kasi parang siyang legit Korean delivery sa Korea. Yung seal, tapos meron pa parang cutter that you use to cut it. Ooh! Look at that! Oh! Nahulog yung isa. 5-second rule. Bibigyan namin kay Daddy. You will never know. You will never know.
After the vlog.
After the vlog na yung malalaman na yung binigay namin sa kanyang chicken nahulog sa table. Sa table naman nahulog, hindi sa floor.
Yung bibimbap ko, inawakan niya parang picture frame.
This is the chicken. Ito yung nahulog. Sorry, Dad.
Bigyan mo daw siya.
Yan. Sige, dali, pakita mo sa vlog how you ask for food. Kinakalampag na niya yung bowl niya kasi nangihingi siya ng food. And this is the bibimbap. I'm gonna show you how to open it. This is the magic key. Para siyang knife. So, yeah. You just use it to cut the plastic on top. Arte. Plastic.
Sure ka?
Kanina nung hindi mo pinivideo, smooth yung mga pangyayari. This is not going well.
Di ba dapat parang knife, hindi lagari?
Nung ito smooth, tapos nung may video na, hindi na smooth. This is beautiful. This Happy's bibimbap, mushrooms, zucchini, carrots, meat, seaweed, egg. And with the bibimbap sauce. So you pour, and you mix everything. Okay, let's eat! Hindi ako papayag na ganun yung video. I will redeem myself. Kanina talaga smooth! Kinda like that, but smoother. Tikman natin yung 24 chicken na 24 cheddar. I like it. So as always, it's really good fried chicken. I like crispy skin, tender meat. Masarap yung cheese kasi hindi siya yung cheese na parang maalat or very artificial yung lasa. Tapos may konting sweetness siya. I think yung difference niya dun sa snow cheese, mas maalat yung snow cheese kesa dito. And then ito, yun, may parang hint of sweetness. Oh, filet pala siya. Oo nga, boneless pala. 24 chicken, half boneless. Boneless pala yung order ko. Like, nag-iingat-ingat pa ako na parang, ay, baka may buto, gano'n. I forgot.
That's mine.
The food is here.
Where's yours?
This is the bibimbap. Let's mix the bibimbap because bibim means mix and bap means rice. So it's literally mixed rice. Just mix everything. Sulit na to. $1.99 pero parang dalawa na kayong makakakain. Okay, make sure ma-distribute yung sauce dun sa rice. I think it's good enough. Red naman na. Should I taste it? Officially, ang umorder nito si Daddy. Pero, let's do some public service. And tikman na natin para masabi ko sa inyo kung okay ba siya. Akala mo hindi pa nakatikim nito eh. Ito nga in-order ko nung birthday ko eh. Good. You cannot go wrong with Happily Bibimbap. It's spicy, big serving, lots of veggies. Okay, legit. Nakain na kami. Bye. So, since today, wala naman talaga akong masyadong gagawin na except probably just Netflix. So, wala na akong mabavlog for today na interesting. Here's a clip from the last time Martin was here. Matagal na nito. Tagal na namin kikita ni Martin because he's been busy with work. The last time he was here, we ordered Grab food as well. We ordered Army Navy and Coco, but an accident happened. Happy Saturday! It's a disaster. Natapon yung Coco. Hey guys! So after a major cleanup, we are back.
It's a disaster made by me. This is my drink. For Dan's drink, wala na.
It didn't survive. Ito lang.
It went to the floor kasi nahulog siya and, you know, sadly, it spilled all over. Yeah.
So we did major mopping and everything.
Even the furniture we had to clean.
But it's all good now. And now, it's time to eat.
So the best part is, we were able to save what's really important in this drink.
The sinkers. Yung juice yung natapon, tapos yung sinkers na iwan sa baba.
So what we can do, we can use those sinkers, like, put it in my drink. And it smells nice, huh?
May passion fruit na yung kwarto ko.
It smells good. I know it smells like passion fruit, but yeah, it's my bad. It's my bad.
So anyway, aside from Coco, we also ordered from Army Navy. And I'm so excited to eat. Sobrang excited ko pa naman kumain. Tapos gutom na ako. Tapos naglinis pa kami.
So a little bit of workout. And then, si Dan kasi when it comes to using your physical energy, mabilis siya mapagod.
So wala na. Ubus na energy for the day. We have the Birria taco. Matagal ko nang gusto makatry ng Birria taco. Ngayon lang ako naka-order from Army Navy. So it's basically beef taco. And then it has onion, cilantro. And then what makes it unique is it has this consomme, which is a soup made from the marinade where the beef was cooked in. Kung saan pinakuluan yung beef na full of spices and beef flavor. So, ito siya. So, ididip mo yung taco dito. And then, we also have a naked chicken burrito. It has all the elements of a burrito, pero hindi siya naka-wrap.
And for my order, hindi niya siya mahulaan. It's veg burritos. Because I really love it. It's my comfort food.
Okay, let's eat! I'm so excited to try this birria taco. Let's try it. So, you dip it. It's good. Super flavorful. Yung shell niya, it's crispy on the outside, pero chewy pa rin siya. It's like charred. And then, yung flavor nung beef niya, it's a little sour. Sour and salty.
Good balance.
Same with the consomme, yeah. Mas masarap siya with the salsa kasi it adds freshness.
Yeah.
It adds freshness kasi very rich yung beef and yung consomme. Let's mix this. Naked burrito. Simula nung napanood ko yung BTS na kumakain ng chipotle. Gusto ko na kumain ng burrito bowl.
Ever since Jungkook mispronounced Chipotle with
Chipotle. It tastes like the chicken burrito, pero mas hindi lang mushy yung rice.
soul and my heart turns stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older. Done my thinking, me and you. Yeah, guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but we're sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track.
Thank you. Natakot siya sa mga ketchup. Mama yung upo na.
Hinahanap si Dad sa Quezon City Circle.
Kung nakita niyo po yung daddy namin, pakitawagan po kami, nawawala siya.
Ibigay mo yung contact number kung saan sila tatawag.
Paki-DM po ako sa Instagram. Sabay plug ng Instagram. At Denise Yalong, please.
Welcome to the jungle. Jumanji. Welcome to the jungle.
We're in the wilderness.
Bakit may grab sa Jumanji?
Hinahanap namin yung daddy namin.
Grabe ko naman. Ilang oras pa lang kayo nagkahiwalay. Wala pang 24 hours, hindi pa siya pwede i-declare as missing ng police. Mga 3 hours pa lang sila nagkahiwalay.
Daddy! Where are you?
Yan o, bili ako ng ganyan na.
Daddy's girl.
Daddy's girl. Baka nag-ukit siya sa mga puno na Norman was here.
Sabi niya, day 1.
Wilderness.
Wilderness? Di ba hinahanap mo yung daddy mo? Tapos, nasan ka na sa wilderness?
Sa wilderness.
Ano yung gusto mo puntahan?
Yung Presidential Car Museum.
So, anong unahin mo? Yung daddy mo yung presidential
Kasi
car?
backstory, so naglalakad kami, asan si Dad? Tapos may nakita akong tarpaulin ng Presidential Car Museum. Tapos sabi ko, asan yan? Puntahan natin.
Yun na yung gusto mong puntahan.
Yun na, nakalimutan ko na si Daddy.
Ito yung tarpaulin ng Presidential Car Museum na na-distract siya. So, ito na daw yung puntahan namin. Huwag na daw hanapin si Dad. Wilderness nga! Daming bus, tsaka kotse. Tapos may building pa.
May aircon.
May aircon. Wilderness. Ito po yung nanay ni Tarzan. Hi, Mama Tarzan.
Hinahanap ko si Tarzan. Si Bibi Tarzan.
Bibi Tarzan. Hashtag Bibi Tarzan.
Hashtag Bibi Tarzan. Walk in the park. Hindi natin kilala yun. Just walking in the park.
Yun na nakakita ng park.
Welcome to Quezon City Memorial Circle. One of the parks here in Quezon City. La, may mumu oh, ma-under mag-isa. Oh my God. Either mumu or physics in action. Doggies, kumakain sila.
Ito daw yung mga pinamiling plants nila.